A mouse chew up some part of their dishwasher, and when they ran the dishwasher, it leaked everywhere. So they had somebody come and remove the dishwasher. They didn't cover the disposal hole where the drain hose ties into. So when they run the kitchen sink, it just leaks profusely under the kitchen sink. There's nothing really we can do to actually like physically close that hole, but what I can do for the time being is put a glove, like the finger part of a glove on there, and then put a hose clamp on it so it keeps it from leaking until they can get their dishwasher installed again. And then just to make sure you don't blow the glove out of it, just don't turn the disposal on. Just run water.
Okay.
That's what I would do. But other than that, do you have any questions for me?
No, this was super nice, easy, and I can get right back to work.
Yes, ma'am. Awesome.